everybody. This is a video on live accounts, highly anticipated. We've been asked to put this video together by many people now. We are exploring funded companies that offer a clear path to live accounts for traders. What are live accounts? For this video, we consider a live account an account that allows traders to trade real funds in a live market with real profits and losses, not simulated live. Professional fees. Some companies consider you a professional trader when you are moved to live accounts and charge professional data fees accordingly. And we'll go over that as we go through the video here. Blusky Trading Company. And we're going to go over these trading companies one by one. This is Blusky. There will be a link to the full review video up in the top corner, so check that out as well. This is basically for each of these companies just going to be the specifics of the live, if that makes sense. Requirements to move to live. Pass eval to move to Blue Live, which is sim funded. And then once you hit your profit goal on Blue Live to get your payout, you move on to a real live account. Costs and fees associated with it. You have no PA activation fees. Tradeify, $135 per exchange per calendar month. Bills on the first of every month. So you want to make sure that you don't get it in the middle, because even if you go to live in the middle, say the 15th, you're still going to be billed on the first of the month. Rhythmic, they cover the first month of data. All subsequent data months will be deducted by the clearinghouse directly from your brokerage account. Payouts, minimum withdrawal amount is $250. Max withdrawal amount, there is no limits. No minimum days to trade to request a payout in your brokerage account. There's a 90-10 profit split, and you can get it direct ACH. Rules, daily loss limit optional in live. Must trade 1 day per month. News trading is allowed. And if you remember, guys, you have to trade 1 day per month to avoid fees and warnings from brokerage. Daily drawdown can be set by the broker. If you want a daily drawdown, you know, we've been through this before too. If you want it though, they can set it with the broker, right? Take profit. The link to this video will be up in the corner. Make sure you watch the full review if you haven't seen that yet, but this is your live side of Take Profit Trader. Requirements to move to live. Reach 5K profit in Pro account to be invited to Pro Plus. Must leave 5K profit in your Pro account. Costs and fees. There's no PA or activation fees. No additional fees to move to live. All right, so let's make sense of this real quick. You have to leave 5K in your Pro account to move to Pro Plus. Any profit over 5K can be withdrawn. Okay, so that's the first part of it. And then the second part, when there's no additional fees, we want to really hit on this topic real quick because a lot of them charge pro fees, right? But with Take Profit, how they do it is the transition comes with professional market data fees. They're covered by Take Profit or the exchanges used by the trader on the pro account. So whatever exchanges you used on the pro account, you now can use for free on your Pro Plus account. If there are any additional exchanges you use, a monthly fee will be charged at $135 per extra exchange. So, and that will be deducted straight from your Pro Plus balance on the first day of each month. If you have any questions on any of these, obviously just ask below and I will get back with you. Payout, minimum withdrawal amount, $250 to avoid fees. Max withdrawal amount, there's no limits. No minimum days to trade to request payout. It's a 90-10 profit split. They use Plaid, PayPal, Wise for international. So Plaid you can use for the US, and we've been over Plaid a few times too. They basically do a bunch of different payout methods. Rules, no daily loss limit in live. Must trade 1 day per week. No news trading. And how it works on their Pro Plus accounts, you must have no open positions and orders 1 minute before, during, and after the news events. You just got to make sure of that. And if some of you guys like to news trade, then it's only a minute. You still have time. You just can't trade when the actual news is announced. Earn to trade. The full review video will be up in the top corner. Requirements to move to live, pass eval on the Gauntlet Mini or TCP and choose live sim or live. Costs and fees, $135 per month. Exchange for live. And if you guys remember from the video, and if you didn't watch it real quick, the career path, once you got past the 100K, you had to go to live. They do have a very clear path to live using the career path, it was actually a pretty decent option to go live because you started out with just the 50K account, right? You could build your way all the way up. So not a bad idea. Payouts, minimum withdrawal amount is $500 to avoid fees. So if you only withdraw $100, you have to pay fees on it, but $500 and above, you don't. Max withdrawal amount depends on account type. No minimum days to trade to request payout. It's an 80-20 profit split. They use Rise as their payout method. Rules, you have no copy trading. You can request a daily loss limit removal. Unscheduled absences, 5 consecutive trading days will result in count termination. Fast track trading. And again, guys, the original review video is up in the top corner. If you have not caught that, please catch that. That gives you all the details about these companies, right? Requirements to move to live. If you have 5 consecutive payments, have a positive account balance and no account resets at the time of live account conversion, they will deposit the aggregate of all profits into a live trading account in your name. Costs and fees. Their website doesn't actually mention any additional fees. That's not to say that there isn't any. There was none mentioned. Payout. Minimum withdrawal amount. No minimum. 20% consistency. And that's the one thing that we talked about in the video. That one is a little tough in my opinion. Max withdrawal amount depends on account size. It's a 90-10 profit split. They use Rise as their payout method, and there is no daily loss limit. Tradeify. And at the current moment, we haven't did a complete review video of this company. When it is done, we will put it in the top corner. Depending on when you see this video, it may already be there. All of the links to the videos will be down in the description as well. Requirements to move to live. Once you complete 8 payouts, you can request transition to live funded. Costs and fees, again, their website doesn't mention any additional fees for live. Payout, minimum withdrawal amount, $1,000. Max withdrawal amount depends on account size. 90-10 profit split. Rise is their payout method as well. Rules, there's no daily loss limit. Only 1 live funded account allowed. May move you to live account at any time after your 3rd payout. After 16 payouts, you will automatically move to a live account, retaining all of your unrealized gains. TradeShield. At this current time, this review video has not been released. However, if you're watching this in the future, it will be up on the top corner. Requirements to move to live. Meet the profit target on your SIM funded account. Costs and fees. You are responsible for the monthly professional data fees per exchange that you trade, and that gets paid directly to the broker, Tradeify NinjaTrader. Payouts. Minimum withdrawal amount is $250. Must stay above 1,500 buffer. Optional daily payouts. And it's a 90-10 profit split. Rules. Daily loss limit continues. Doesn't blow the account, so it's a soft breach. Only 1 live funded account allowed. TradeDay. And again, if you haven't seen the whole review video, top corner, guys. Requirements to move to live. After completing the eval, you have the choice to go SIM funded or live. Costs and fees. TradeDay has a one-off setup fee for both funded SIM and funded live accounts of $139. $135 per month per exchange. Payout, minimum withdrawal amount $250. Must clear buffer before payout request. Optional daily payouts. 90-10 profit split, and they do pay out with Rise. Rules, no daily loss limit. If account is inactive for 45 days, it will be closed. Only 1 account per trader. All the links will be down in the description, along with the current sales that are going on for each of these companies. Honorable mentions. Live is available, but without a clear path. What this is, guys, these are the rest of the companies that speak of going live. And basically what we'll look at is exactly how their wording is. We're not going to go very in-depth to them. All of the review videos will be mentioned for these, so you can go back and watch them. They do offer live, right? It's just not a clear path. My funded futures. And again, the link to the full review is in the top corner. Live funded account qualifications. Continue trading as usual on your simulated funded account. And if you meet the criteria for a live funded account, we will contact you. Question: how do I get a live funded account? Answer: continue traded on your simulated funded account. Once you meet the criteria, we will notify you about transitioning to a live funded account. So again, there's really no clear path. It's just if they decide, right? So that's going to be the difference between these and the ones at the beginning of the video that had a clear path to live. Topstep. And again, top corner, going to be a full review right there, or in the description, there'll be a link as well. Can I move from Express funded account to live funded account at any time? No, you cannot move from the Express funded account to the live funded account at any time. Our risk managers closely monitor our traders in the Express funded account and will reach out when they believe you should be moved to live account based on performance and consistency. This will vary for each trader on a case-by-case basis. Legends trading. Are master accounts live? Master legends are paid based on the performance of their account, regardless of it being sim or live. Depending on your performance during the apprentice stage, your master account will be on a sim environment to further confirm consistency. Once long-term consistency has been identified, you will be invited to the live prop account and the benefits that come with it. Elite trader funding. Consistency in trading. Demonstrated consistency in your session-to-session trading activities. Post-payout consistency. Ability to maintain consistency even after receiving one or more payouts on any elite sim funded account. Background check. All traders must pass a background check without any incriminating records. Knowledge of exchange rules. A thorough understanding of the rules and regulations of the exchange you're trading in. Please review the CME rules and regulations. Safety threshold. Accounts that meet our safety threshold will be eligible for live elite. In order to move from an elite sim funded account to a live elite funded account with edge clear, you must first earn realized profits equal to drawdown plus 100. Apex Trader funding. We use live data for performance accounts. Initially, they are sim accounts, but you still get paid the same way. We do this because many traders may blow a performance account quickly. By using sim initially, it protects both the company and you as a customer. Once we see consistency, we copy the trades via API in a live account. Then, when we see long-term consistency, the account is placed into a live account. Sim equals simulated, API equals application programming interface. None of these accounts actually say what the clear stipulations are for going live. They just say that basically the company will decide if they want to put you live or not. So I did go ahead and include these because they do have live options. However, there's no real clear path as to how you achieve making it to the live side of things. For you guys that want to actually be on live accounts and trade live, and that's something that's very, very, very important to you, you're much better off going with the accounts mentioned in the beginning. A lot of people ask, well, why do I want to be on live? Clear answer, guys. The reason you want to be on live is because, like Apex, since we're on this page, we'll go ahead and go over it. When they do simulated accounts, how it works, and a lot of you, I don't know if you completely understand how everything works in the end. And a lot of people I've told, hey, When you're on a sim account, it's just sim. They say, well, how do you get paid? You get paid from blown evals. So all the unprofitable traders are paying the profitable traders. The problem with that, as we've seen in the series of events that has happened with the Apex drama here currently, is if at any point in time the failing traders decide not to trade anymore, decide they're not going to buy evals anymore, decide that they're going to give up, well, now there's no way to pay the profitable traders. Or if you've been here long enough that more traders are becoming profitable, because as time goes, everybody already knows traders become profitable. And as this is happening, there's not as many failing traders as there is profitable traders in order to make up the deficit to pay these traders. So the biggest reason that you go live is to know that you're going to get paid. Essentially, the market pays you. Now, it's not dependent on how many people don't pass evals. It's not dependent on the money that the company's brought in. You got to understand, these companies pay their money out as well. They want to pay themselves. They want to pay all the people that work for them. They want to make money too. And because everybody always says, well, there's always going to be more unprofitable traders than profitable traders. 98% of traders are unprofitable. Absolutely. You're not wrong in those assumptions. We already know this to be the truth. It's not even an assumption, right? We already know this is the truth. However, they have to profit enough money that they can line their pockets as well, guys. As they're lining their pockets, it's less and less money that they have to pay out to the profitable traders as well. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. That's kind of a rundown of exactly how it works, right? As always, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you found any value out of this video, please like. If you want to get alerted for the videos that are coming out in the future, subscribe. I am planning on putting out a mindset series here in the future. If anybody thinks that would be of value to them, let me know in the comments. Have a great day, guys. And as always, stay consistent out there.